Hey guys, it's Eric and this is my review of the tech case from Away. It comes in a few different color options as you can see here. You can get it in either black, navy, coast, which is the color that I have, or green. You also have the options to customize it with 3-letter stitching as well. In terms of dimensions, the tech case measures in at 6.3 by 4.7 by 2.95 inches. These are the measurements for the regular size tech case. There's also a larger tech case that Away sells which has slightly bigger dimensions. Just keep in mind going forward that this review will be for the regular size tech case. Now in terms of capacity and weight, the tech case has 1.4 liters of carrying capacity and weighs in at 3.76 ounces. Just based on everything that I told you so far about the dimensions and size, you can tell that this is a very compact carrying case that's really meant for just your smaller tech accessories. The body of the tech case is composed of a water-resistant nylon material that is very smooth to the touch. There's limited branding with just the Away logo on the corner of the front, which gives the tech case a very minimal aesthetic and look. There's a leather handle on the top of the case and a single zipper that gives you access to the interior storage. Moving on now to the interior, you can see on the lid of the case that there are 3 elastic bands that are meant for items like your charging cables, your earbuds, and just about any other small item that you can secure to the elastic bands. On the main interior compartment of the case, you have a mesh zipper storage section that's meant for bigger items like your power adapters, hard drives, or even a computer mouse, just to give you a few examples of what can fit in this compartment. Now even though it's called a tech case, that doesn't mean it's exclusive to just carrying tech accessories. This can be used as a general purpose case as well. You can put other items in there like your toiletries and makeup, or even just as a compression cube for smaller clothing like socks and underwear. The tech case works well in those regards too. Alright, so here are my overall impressions of the tech case. From a build quality perspective, I thought Away did a great job here. No real manufacturing flaws that I could point out. It's very well constructed. In terms of the design and look of the tech case, I'm a huge fan of the color options that they have provided. I like the overall unibody and minimal look of the case as well. It's simplistic and doesn't overdo it with unnecessary patterns, which matches up well with my personal style too. Now for the storage itself, this isn't a huge case, so you are limited in what you can put in it. The elastic bands are a nice touch in terms of organization, and the main mesh zipper compartment is big enough to fit just your essential tech accessories, while at the same time being secure enough to keep the items stable as well. At the end of the day, there's only really so much you can talk about when it comes to a tech accessories case, so I'll wrap this one up by saying, if you're a fan of Away and have most of their items, then this is another good addition for your collection. If you're not a fan, there are more affordable alternative options from other brands, but the build quality and materials used probably won't be as nice as what Away has to offer. But that's just my opinion though. Whether you get the tech case or not is up to you. I'm just here to inform you from my perspective. Alright, that's it from me today. My name is Eric. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.